Ready to boost sales this Black Friday? Your website's performance is key to maximizing revenue. Ensure it handles traffic spikes. Poor site performance can result in abandoned carts. Don't let that happen. Make your website load in under 3 seconds. Optimize images and ensure smooth mobile functionality for user retention. Simplify navigation for easy access to Black Friday deals. Consider a dedicated tab for quick offer access. Create a landing page to highlight your best deals. Use strong headlines, clear CTAs, and appealing visuals. Engaging pop-ups and banners effectively capture attention. Offer exit discounts and maintain a visible site-wide banner for promotions. Customer reviews and trust badges enhance credibility. Showcasing them builds trust with potential buyers. Update meta titles and descriptions to attract search traffic. Use enticing language to boost click-through rates for your offers. Launch pre-Black Friday campaigns through email and social media. Reward early shoppers with exclusive discounts for their commitment. Focus on optimizing conversions. Regularly test CTAs, apply upselling tactics, and review user experience for better results. Ensure your website's security with HTTPS for safe transactions. This boosts customer confidence through transparent policies. After Black Friday, analyze performance metrics and gather feedback for improvements. This prepares you for future sales events. Optimizing your website means creating a seamless shopping experience. Start now for lasting sales success. Act quickly. Prepare your website for Black Friday.